everybody, this is Ekta from Housey and today we are here to show you the project overview of K Central, that is Kohinoor Central, located in Hinjewadi Phase 2. In today's video, we will be talking about the project overview. I will also tell you about the location, the amenities. We will also take a look at the project 3D model and I will tell you about the carpet areas and the booking process as well. So stay tuned for all the details about K Central, built by Kohinoor Group, located at Hinjewadi Phase 2. And before I tell you anything more about the project, let me tell you something about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform which connects buyers directly to the developer. Unlike other online listing platforms where your number is shared with multiple other brokers and you get multiple calls, at Housey we connect you directly with the developer, thereby promising you the best pricing and also the complete information that you need about each and every project. At Housey we make sure that your home buying process is completely simplified. So book your dream home through Housey today. Now let's proceed to the rest of the project. Let's now take a look at the overview of the project with the help of this 3D model. The project is being constructed on a total land parcel of 13.5 acres with 10 towers with G plus 24 floors having 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 3 BHK premium duplex residences. As you can see, I am standing right outside the sales office at the actual location of the project. Well, when I'm telling you about the actual location of the project is located in Hinjewadi Phase 2 on the High Mount Road. From here, the Hinjewadi Kasarsai Road is just about 950 meters and Educon International School is just about 250 meters. As you can see, this is the main road that connects to the project and the project is located in a very good connectivity area. And now let's take a look at the amenities of the project. As you can see that there is going to be a parking building over which there are going to be the amenities like the swimming pool and the play area. The rest of the amenities would be on the ground floor and there are going to be multiple other amenities like the amphitheater, gymnasium and many more. Now let's discuss the carpet areas. There are two variants that are available, the 2 BHK and the 3 BHK. The 2 BHK being of 875 square feet and the 3 BHK जिसका यहाँ पे model भी है, which is going to be of 1087 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking window is now open and the client can come and visit and book their apartment. Once you are here, our salesperson will show you the project, explain you the 3D model and also tell you about the location and show you the sample flat. And also will explain you about the pricing and the booking processes further. In case you like the property, then you can go ahead with the booking process. And this was the complete project overview of Kohinoor Central, which is located in Hinjewadi Phase 2, developed by Kohinoor Group. If you have liked this video or if you know anybody who is trying to look out for a flat in Hinjewadi or anywhere in Pune, share this video with them right now. Like and comment. Do let us know what do you think about all these videos that we're making for you. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.